The vocal is the most important part of any production. It can be the difference between a song that's fine and one that gives you goosebumps. Rolling in the Deep used the demo vocal instead of the polished studio take. Why? Honest emotion. Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you why that matters and how to produce vocals that actually hit. Pillar 1, the vocal performance. Your only goal when recording vocals is to capture a great performance. Not perfection, not gear, not polish, just performance. It's not about autotune, EQ, or compression. Want proof? In Gimme Shelter, you can hear Mick Jagger yell, "Woo!" because Mary Clayton's voice cracked in a raw, chilling take. Moments like that, they make a song. A lifeless vocal kills a great song, but a passionate, even slightly messy one, that's what people remember. Nail the vocal performance and you're basically done. But how do you do that? Create the right vibe. Lights low, fewer takes, no distractions. Get your entourage in if you have to. Get into character and perform it. You can fix pitch later, but you can't fake conviction. Pillar 2, here's where most beginners get stuck. You're tweaking mic setups, worrying about background noise, overthinking pitch correction. Meanwhile, the energy is slipping away. Your studio isn't a science lab. Your job is to capture feeling while it's still alive. You can clean up all the details later. We've got Melodyne, Autotune, editing tools, all of it. But there's no emotion plugin. Pillar 3, plugins do less than you think. An amazing vocal doesn't need 12 plugins. It needs truth. If you're stacking effects just to make the vocal feel alive, it's a sign you probably didn't capture it right. If you find yourself here, you've already lost. Adele's vocal chain, just EQ, compression, and some tasteful reverb and delay. Not much else. Keep the plugins simple. Compression for control, EQ to clean mud or add body sparkle, and reverb and delay for space. Plugins are icing, not the cake. If you want to go deeper, click the link in the description for a free Logic production template where I walk you through producing a radio ready song from start to finish. Or get started now by watching this video here.